guide you through how to turn on private browsing in Safari on iPhone and incognito mode. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Safari app on your device, then look at the bottom right corner and tap the tabs button, which looks like two overlapping squares. Once you're on the tabs screen, tap the tabs or number of the tabs at the bottom center and a menu will appear. Select Private to switch it into incognito mode. You'll know it's activated when the interface turns darker, usually black or dark gray, indicating that Safari is now in private browsing. From here, tap the plus icon to open a new private tab and you can start browsing without your history, searches, or autofill data being saved. If you want to exit private mode, simply repeat the steps, tap the private again, and switch back to your regular tabs.